Welcome to Real Life English. Today's video is about home life. You will learn useful English for a normal day at home. Let's get started.
Good morning, Emma. Are you awake?
Good morning, Leo. I am awake, but I still feel sleepy.
Me too. I did not sleep early last night.
What time did you go to bed?
I think I went to bed around midnight.
That is a little late.
I know. I watched one more video and then one more.
That happens to me too. But today we have a lot to do.
You are right. We should get up.
Can you open the curtains?
Sure. Let me open them.
Thank you. The room feels brighter now.
It looks like a nice morning.
Yes, the sun is out. Is it cold outside?
Let me check my phone. It says it is a little cool.
Then I will wear a light sweater.
Good idea. I will wear one too.
What time is it now?
It is 7:30.
We have enough time.
Do you want to stay in bed for 5 more minutes?
That sounds nice, but I know 5 minutes can become 20 minutes.
That is true. We should not be lazy today.
Let's make the bed first.
Good idea. If we make the bed now, the room will look clean.
Can you pull the blanket on your side?
Sure. Is this okay?
Yes. Now I will fix the pillows.
The bedroom looks much better.
A clean room makes me feel calm.
Me too. What should we do next?
Let's wash up and then make breakfast.
Sounds good. I will brush my teeth first.
Okay, I will wash my face first.
A normal morning can be busy, but it feels good when we start slowly.
Yes, we do not need to rush today.
Leo, what do you want for breakfast?
Something simple. Maybe eggs and toast?
That sounds good. We also have bananas and yogurt.
Great. Do we have coffee?
Yes, we have coffee. We also have tea.
I will make coffee. Do you want a cup?
Yes, please. Just a small cup for me.
No problem. I will put the coffee on.
I will get the eggs from the fridge.
How many eggs should we cook?
2 for you and 1 for me.
Are you sure? You usually get hungry later.
You are right. Maybe I should have 2 eggs too.
Good choice.
Can you hand me the pan?
Here you go.
Thank you. I will heat the pan first.
Do you want me to toast the bread?
Yes, please. 2 slices for each of us.
Okay. I will put the bread in the toaster.
A toaster is a small machine that makes bread warm and crisp.
That is a useful word for breakfast.
Yes, people often say, I will toast the bread.
The coffee smells good already.
It does. Can you pour some orange juice too?
Sure. Do you want a full glass?
No, just half a glass is fine.
Okay, half a glass.
The eggs are almost ready.
Do you want salt and pepper?
Yes, a little salt and a little pepper.
Here they are.
Thanks. Can you get 2 plates?
Of course. I will set the table.
Set the table means put plates, cups, and forks on the table.
That is a good phrase. I can say, I will set the table.
Exactly.
The coffee is ready.
Great. Put it on this plate, please.
Do you want butter on your toast?
Just a little butter.
Okay, not too much.
Happy breakfast is ready.
It looks simple but nice.
Simple food is perfect in the morning.
I agree. Let's eat before it gets cold.
This breakfast is really good.
Thank you. We made it together.
The eggs are cooked just right.
I am glad you like them.
What do we need to do today?
First, we need to clean the kitchen.
Yes, the sink is full of dishes.
Then we need to do the laundry.
Laundry means washing clothes, right?
Yes, you can say, I need to do the laundry.
Good. I need to remember that.
After laundry, we should vacuum the living room.
Vacuum means clean the floor with a vacuum cleaner.
Exactly.
What about the bathroom?
We should clean it too, but maybe later.
That is a lot of housework.
Housework means the work we do at home, like cleaning, cooking, and washing clothes.
I know the word chores too.
Yes, chores are small jobs at home.
So washing dishes is a chore.
Yes, taking out the trash is also a chore.
I can take out the trash today.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
What else do we need to do?
We need to make a small shopping list.
What do we need from the store?
Milk, apples, dish soap, and maybe rice.
Let me write that down.
Good idea. If we write it down, we will not forget.
Milk, apples, dish soap, rice.
Also, paper towels.
Okay, paper towels.
Do we need anything for dinner?
Maybe vegetables and chicken.
That sounds easy.
That sounds easy. We can cook dinner at home tonight.
Yes, eating at home saves money.
And it feels relaxing.
After breakfast, should we rest for a few minutes?
Yes, but only a few minutes.
Then we start with the kitchen.
Deal. I will wash the dishes.
And I will wipe the table.
Wipe means clean with a cloth.
Right. I will wipe the table and the counter.
This is a good plan.
A clear plan makes housework easier.
Okay, breakfast is over. Let's clean the kitchen.
I will start with the dishes.
Thank you. I will put the food away.
Where should I put this plate?
Put it in the sink, please.
Okay, and what about the cups?
The cups can go in the sink too.
Do we use the dishwasher today?
No, there are not many dishes. We can wash them by hand.
By hand means without a machine.
Yes, we wash them ourselves.
Can you pass me the dish soap?
Here you go.
Thanks. I need a sponge too.
The sponge is next to the sink.
I found it.
I will put the eggs back in the fridge.
Do we still have enough eggs?
Only 4 eggs left. We should add eggs to the shopping list.
Good point. I will write eggs.
I also see some old fruit.
Is it bad?
This banana is too soft, but we can use it for a smoothie.
That is a good idea. We should not waste food.
Exactly. I will put it in a small bag.
The dishes are almost done.
Great. I will wipe the counter now.
Do you need a clean cloth?
Yes, please.
Here is one.
Thank you. The counter has some coffee on it.
Sorry, I spilled a little.
That is okay. Spill means drop liquid by accident.
So I can say I spilled some coffee.
Yes, that is natural.
I will be more careful next time.
No problem. It happens.
The sink looks clean now.
Nice work. Can you dry the plates?
Sure. Where's the towel?
It is hanging on the oven door.
I see it.
After this, we should take out the trash.
I can do that.
Please tie the trash bag first.
Okay, I will tie it.
And put a new bag in the trash can.
Got it.
The kitchen already looks better.
It feels good to finish one job.
Yes, small steps make the whole home clean.
What is next on our list?
Laundry.
I will bring the laundry basket.
Thanks. The basket is in the bedroom.
I found it. There are a lot of clothes.
Yes, we should not wait so long next time.
Do we wash white clothes and dark clothes together?
No, it is better to separate them.
Separate means put things into different groups.
Right. White clothes here, dark clothes there.
What about towels?
Let's wash towels by themselves.
Okay, towels in a different pile.
Pile means a group of things on top of each other.
So this is a pile of towels.
Exactly.
Which clothes go in first?
Let's start with dark clothes.
How much detergent should I use?
Just 1 cap.
Detergent means the soap for washing clothes.
Yes. Laundry detergent is for clothes. Dish soap is for dishes.
Good to know.
Please do not use too much detergent.
Why not?
Too much detergent can leave soap on the clothes.
I see. 1 cap is enough.
Now close the door and press start.
Done. How long will it take?
About 40 minutes.
While the washing machine is running, we can clean the living room.
Good idea.
What chores do you want to do?
I can dust the shelves.
And I can vacuum the floor.
That sounds fair.
Fair means each person has a good and equal part.
Yes, sharing chores is important.
I agree. One person should not do everything.
Exactly. When we share the work, home life feels easier.
Do you want music while we clean?
Yes, something calm.
I will play quiet music.
Great. Cleaning is better with music.
I will move the small chair first.
Be careful. Do not hit the table.
I will be careful.
Relaxed. After we finish, we can take a short break.
That sounds like a good reward.
I am going to vacuum now.
Okay, I will dust the TV stand.
Can you move the plant a little?
Sure, I will put it near the window.
Thanks. There is a lot of dust under it.
Dust collects quickly.
Yes, especially near the window.
I will wipe the small table too.
There are some magazines on the table.
Should we keep them?
Maybe only 2. The others are old.
Okay, I will put the old ones in the recycling bin.
Recycling bin means the bin for paper, plastic, and other things we can reuse.
Right. It is good to recycle.
The floor looks much cleaner now.
The shelves look cleaner too.
Can you check if I missed any spots?
Let me see. Maybe near the sofa.
You are right. I will vacuum there.
Thanks.
Done. I think the living room is clean.
It looks nice. The room feels fresh.
I am a little tired now.
Me too. Let's sit down for a few minutes.
Do you want tea or water?
Water, please.
I will get 2 glasses.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thanks. We did a lot this morning.
Yes, we made breakfast, cleaned the kitchen, started laundry, and cleaned the living room.
That is a good morning.
What should we do after the break?
We need to hang the clothes or put them in the dryer.
Let's use the dryer today.
Okay. Then we can fold the clothes later.
Fold means put clothes into a neat shape.
Yes. Fold shirts, fold towels, fold pants.
Folding clothes is not my favorite chore.
Mine either, but it is not too hard.
Maybe we can do it while watching a show.
Had idea. That makes it less boring.
Home life has many small jobs.
Yes, but when we do them together, they feel lighter.
It is already evening. What should we make for dinner?
We have chicken, rice, and vegetables.
That sounds good. Let's make a simple chicken and rice dinner.
I can cook the rice.
Great. I will cut the vegetables.
Do you want me to wash the rice first?
Yes, please. Wash it 2 or 3 times.
Okay, then I will put it in the rice cooker.
A rice cooker is very helpful.
Yes, it makes cooking rice easy.
Can you also get the cutting board?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. I will cut the carrots and onions.
Be careful with the knife.
I will. Can you take the chicken out of the fridge?
Yes. Do you want me to season it?
Yes, please. Use salt, pepper, and a little oil.
Season means add things to food to give it flavor.
Exactly. People often say, season the chicken.
I like that phrase.
After that, we can cook it in the pan.
Dinner smells good already.
Cooking at home takes time, but it feels nice.
I agree. It is quiet and comfortable.
The rice is cooking. The vegetables are ready.
The chicken is ready too.
Let's cook the chicken first.
I will watch the pan.
Please turn the chicken after a few minutes.
Okay, I do not want to burn it.
Burn means cook something too much.
Yes, and burned food does not taste good.
The chicken looks good now.
The rice is ready too.
Great. Let's put dinner on the plates.
This looks like a real home meal.
It does. Thank you for helping today.
Thank you too. We worked well together.
After dinner, let's clean the kitchen quickly.
Yes, but not too late. I want to relax before bed.
Me too. We can wash the dishes and wipe the counter.
Then we can sit on the sofa.
Maybe watch one short show?
One short show, not 5 videos like last night.
Deal. We should sleep earlier tonight.
Good plan. A good evening helps tomorrow morning.
Today was a normal day, but it felt good.
Yes, home life is simple, but it is important.
Great job! Today, you learned useful English for home life. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.